The sixth sum of exercise is an umbrella is made by stitching pieces of cloth of two different colors. See the figure. In the figure we have given that an umbrella in the question. This figure is given. In this umbrella different colors के पीसेस को स्टिच करके अम्ब्रेला बनाया गया है, राइट. ईच पीस मेजरिंग 20 सेंटीमीटर, 50 सेंटीमीटर एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर. हर एक पीस है, उसकी डायमेंशंस दी गई है 20 सेंटीमीटर, 50 सेंटीमीटर एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर, राइट. हाउ मच क्लॉथ ऑफ ईच कलर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द अम्ब्रेला. अम्ब्रेला को बनाने के लिए ईच कलर का कितना क्लॉथ यूज हुआ है. क्वेश्चन एक बार दोबारा देखते हैं. एन अम्ब्रेला इज मेड बाय स्टिचिंग 10 पीसेस ऑफ क्लॉथ्स. हियर 10 पीसेस ऑफ क्लॉथ ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स. तो ये यहाँ पे आपको 5 दिखाई दे रहे हैं, 5 इसके बैक साइड में हो जाएंगे. तो सपोज कीजिए ये रेड कलर से है, ये व्हाइट हो गया, ये रेड से है, ये व्हाइट हो गया और ये फिर रेड से. तो इस तरह से 5 रेड कलर के हो गए, 5 व्हाइट के हो गए. तो इनको ज्वाइन करके अम्ब्रेला बनाया गया है. हमें बताना है कि इस अम्ब्रेला में जितना भी क्लॉथ यूज हुआ है उसका एरिया क्या है. उसमें हमें डिफरेंट कलर का बताना है. मीन्स रेड क्लॉथ कितना यूज हुआ है, व्हाइट क्लॉथ कितना यूज हुआ है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, ये जितने भी क्लॉथ के पीसेज है ये फॉर्म है ट्राइंगल की. तो ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड हमें दी गई है 20, 50 एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर. तो इससे हम निकाल लेंगे एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल से हमारे पास एक पीस का एरिया आ जाएगा. और हर कलर के कितने पीस लगे हैं, वी हैव 2 कलर्स एंड 5 पीसेस ऑफ ईच कलर. तो हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, द एरिया ऑफ ईच कलर वी विल गेट. सो कम टू द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल. फॉर एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल वी हैव sides of triangle, that is 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter, right. To find the area of this triangle we have to use Heron's formula. For Heron formula we have to find S, means semi perimeter. Semi perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2, means sum of all the side divided by 2. So this is 50 plus 50 plus 20 divided by 2. 50 plus 50 100 plus 20 120 divided by 2. कैंसल कर देंगे, so we will get 60 centimeter. Now use Heron formula. By Heron's formula. By Heron's formula we find area of triangle. That is formula for this is square root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, right. So come to the s. What is s? This is 60 into 60 minus first side, that is 50, 60 minus second side and 60 minus third side. First side is 50, second is 50, third is 20, right. Come to the next step. This is 60 minus 15, that is 10, 60 minus 50 into 10 and 60 minus 20, that is 40. Come to the next step. We have 10 2 10 means pair of 10 is complete. So 10 आपका आ जाएगा बाहर and here is 60 into 40. So 10 into 60 can be written as 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Prime factorization of 60. 6 is 6 into 10. 6 is 2 into 3 and 10 2 into 5. Now 40. 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10, 4 5 जा and 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 5 जा 40. सो देख लीजिए पेयर किस किस के बाहर आ गए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस 2 का पेयर कंप्लीट हो गया है, फिर इस 2 का पेयर कंप्लीट हो गया है, उसके बाद इस 5 का पेयर कंप्लीट हो गया है और अंदर जो बचेगा वो बचेगा आपका 2 into 2 into 3 ये बच गया. सो दिस इज स्क्वायर रूट 6. 10 into 2 20, 20, and this is 2 into 5 10, 20 into 10, this is 200 square root 6 centimeter square. This is the area of one triangle. We have to find the area of 5 triangles, means the area of each color, cloth required for each color. So right here, cloth used of each color. So 5 पीसेस हो गए और हर पीस का एरिया है इट्स 200 स्क्वायर रूट 6. सो 5 into 200 it is 1000 square root 6 centimeter square, and it is our answer. Seventh sum of exercise is a kite is in the shape of a square with diagonals 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and the side 6 centimeter each is to be made the 3 different shades as shown in the figure. Now, how much paper of each shade has been used in it? Question में है, we have a kite is in the form of a square plus an isosceles triangle. This is the square plus an isosceles triangle. So we have 3 shades, first, second and third. This is given in the figure. We have to find the paper used in each shade. Paper used of each shade means we have to find the area of part 1, shade 2 and shade 3. For this square we have given that the diagonal is 32 centimeter. And we know that the diagonal of square are equal, so this is also 32 centimeter, right? And we also know that the diagonals of a square bisect each other at right angle. The diagonals of a square bisect each other at right angle. Bisect means this is 32, so half of 32 is 16 and this is also 16. Also this angle is 90 degree. Okay. Bisect means divide into 2 equal parts. At right angle means this angle is right angle. So from this we can find the area of shade 1. For the shade 1 we have base is 32 centimeter and height is 16 centimeter. Using formula half into base into height we can find the area of this triangle. So come to the solution. For shade 1, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half into base is 32, height is 16. So 2 से cancel करेंगे, it is 16 and 16 into 16 this is 256 centimeter square. So area of shade 1 or you can say paper used in shade 1 is 256 centimeter square. For the second shade, this is the second shade, right? In the second shade this is 32, we can use it as base, and this is the height because this angle is 90 degree and the height is also 16 because the diagonal bisect each other. Bisect means this part is 16, so this part is also 16. So half into base into height, base is 32, height is 16. Same, area of shade first is equal to area of shade second. So we can directly write for shade 2 to area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to same as shade 1, that is 256 centimeter square, or you can find using formula half into base into height. Now come to for shade 3. For shade 3. For shade 3 it is an isosceles triangle with all sides are given. If all sides of a triangle are given, then we use Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle. So first we write sides of triangle. Sides of triangles are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now we have to find semi perimeter, that is the half of perimeter, or you can say A plus B plus C by 2. A is 6, B is 6 and C is 8 divided by 2. 6 plus 6 plus 8. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 it is 20, 20 by 2 means 10 centimeter. So semi perimeter is 10 centimeter. Now use Heron formula. So by Heron's formula, by Heron's formula we find area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to, use formula this, that is square root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Here s is 10, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 and 10 minus third side, that is 8. So this is 10 into 10 minus 6, 4, 10 minus 6, 4 and 10 minus 8 is 2. यहाँ पे आप देखिए 4 का पेयर कंप्लीट हो चुका है, सो 4 बाहर आ जाएगा. इन द स्क्वायर रूट इट इज 10 into 2. 10 can be written as 2 into 5 and 2 as it is. 10 is written 2 into 5 and 2 as it is. Now the pair of 2 is also complete, so this is 4 into 2. 2 बाहर आ जाएगा and this is square root 2. It becomes 8 square root 5 centimeter square. The area of shade 3 is 8 square root 5 centimeter square. We will write the answer. Answer should be in the form what is asked in the question. How much paper of each shade has been used, right? So we write paper used in shade 1, that is 256 centimeter square. Paper used in shade 2, again 256 centimeter square. And in the last, paper used in shade 3, it is 8 square root 5 centimeter square. So this is our answer.